I'm on high alert. I'm baking for gluten-free and dairy allergies today. It takes it up to a whole nother level. It's not even about the recipe today. It's about making sure that nobody gets really sick or has to go to the ER. Last thing I want is to have Uncle Drew taking an EpiPen, boom, in the thigh. We don't want to have to do that. As my mom would say, not on my watch, it ain't happening. One thing that I do when cooking for allergies, all the power to all the moms and parents out there that have to deal with this. It takes so much effort and so much planning. I'd rather be on high alert and overcautious because that keeps me sharp. So it starts with cleaning everything. And I mean sanitizing. All the items that I'm going to use, tool-wise, cleaned and kept separate. Workstations, cleaned, sanitized, no flour, no nothing can touch anything that I've got out here today. Secondary are the supplies. So all of my allergy supplies are kept separate. I've put them in a bag. I've taken them out of what I call the vault. Nothing else goes in those cabinets besides the items that are pre-authorized for the allergy-friendly baking that we're doing today. That way I know if it's in this bag and it's come out of the vault, it's okay. Then it's up to me to put together a nice, great, easy recipe while baking that's still gonna taste good. I think we can do it. I know we can do it. So it's time to get to work. We're making today vanilla cupcakes with a hint of lemon, and I'm going to attempt a dairy-free frosting. We're going to see how that one turns out as well. Okay, that's our coconut oil, applesauce. What else do I have? More flour, almond flour that is. I've got, again, everything here I'm using is gluten-free. Baking soda. I've got more almond flour, baking powder, all the power to all the moms and parents out there that have to cook and accommodate for allergies, because this is not easy. And just doing this occasionally, I feel your pain and what you're going through. It's so tough. I've got some cane sugar. What else do I have in here? I have some more starch flour. Interesting. Got a whole, I took everything out of the vault. Okay. Gluten-free baking flour. We'll probably do a half and half mixture. I have some vanilla extract. This is like gold, okay? That's expensive stuff, but we got to do it. And then even some friendly sprinkles. These are going to be for cupcakes. So this is safe work area. Everything else behind me, including the oven, including the door handles on the fridge, sanitized. Oven, I made sure first I cleaned that too, so we're good on the oven. I don't need the microwave. I clean that as well, just in case I do need it. In fact, I may need it and melt some coconut oil, so it's good that we did that. Even the scissors that I have been sanitized in case we needed to open one of these packages that doesn't have the nice zipper on there that we can tear off. So we've really got to be careful when we're doing all that stuff. Once we know that we're set and everything here is safe, then we can just bake. And that's the most important part. Make sure we're safe first, flavor number 2. Normally we're going flavor number 1, but in these cases, when we're dealing with allergies, that becomes number 1 priority. Flavor will be second. But as I say, once we're set and we know we're safe, let's freaking bake and have some fun.